Hi, Susan. My name's Nicole Holzel. I'm the owner of the Devil's Food Company. I custom decorate cupcakes including carrot, vanilla, confetti, and of course, Devil's Food, which is a chocolate cake just to name a few. I can have some for your next event that your customers will ask where they can buy some. I'm currently working out of my home but would eventually like to move into a storefront operation. I'm also serving the local market, but would also like to have a couple of stores in the metropolitan area. This market purchases from me because I provide homemade fresh items for about the same price as you can get in a grocery store with more variety. Did you know that 45% of all baked goods in a grocery store are either given away to their employees or donated to a local food bank because they're not purchased in house? Why, anyways, would you want to get a cupcake that has been sitting on the shelf for 5 days when you can have a fresh made that day cupcake that just melts in your mouth for the same price? Speaking of price, it only costs 21 cents to make one of my cupcakes, and I sell it for $1.25, which has almost a 600% markup. When I first advertised on social media, within 2 hours, I had requests for 12 dozen cupcakes for delivery the next day. Let me know when your next board meeting is, and I'll be happy to bring you in a free dozen.